Okay. We open the Cricut design space. New project. Upload in this area. Here when we have recently image, we can delete them that way. And upload image is in this area. Bruise. We find our design. Open. It has to be in these formats as a PNG, JPG, GIF, SVG, etc. This one is an SVG. We save. We click in the design and insert image. There are two ways to change the size in this area or in the corner of the design. Over here. And we have the size. Now, show out in just one color. We start clicking in every part to change the color in this area. We select every part. This one we have the same color, so we pick the same one. So that way in the mat it's going to show up in the same one. That's it. This is the base. And we go to make it. We select on mat. And here is every part. The design. You see that one? That's the base. And over here, we're going to show up the same color. So it's going to cut the design, the same color in just one mat. So this is for just one. What about if we want more of one? So we click in this part, project copies, file, and we apply. And we have of every part all the copies that we want or you desire to do. After that, we just go to continue. And we select the material. Depending on what you want or you choose the material, you select it and you're ready to go. You click here and that's it.